Welcome back to day 2 of our London trip. Today we are swapping the busy footpaths for the water to experience the city from a whole new angle. A Thames River Cruise. Is it worth adding to your itinerary? Let's jump on board and find it out. First up, how to book. You have a few options depending on your travel style. If you want flexibility, you can pre-book hop-on, hop-off sightseeing passes online through providers like City Cruises or Uber Boat by Thames Clippers. Pro tip, if you are using the commuter river pass or the Uber Boat, you can simply tap on and tap off using your contactless card or Oyster card just like on the tube, which is super convenient and budget friendly. The primary piers you will use are concentrated around London's top landmarks. Westminster Pier, perfect for starting right by Big Ben and Parliament. London Eye Pier, ideal if you are visiting South Bank attractions. Tower Pier, steps away from the Tower of London and Tower Bridge. Greenwich Pier, great if you want to head further east to visit the Maritime Museum and Royal Observatory. Starting at Westminster and cruising down to Tower Pier or Greenwich gives you the ultimate sightseeing stretch. Once you are moving, get your camera ready because the views from the river are unmatched. Cruising along, you get front row seats, the House of Parliament, the Big Ben right at the start. The London Eye towering over the South Bank, St. Paul's Cathedral peeping over the skyline. Shakespeare's Globe and the Tail Modern. The modern skyscrapers of the financial district including the Shard. And of course, sailing directly under the iconic Tower Bridge. Now let's talk about the onboard experience. Most sightseeing boats feature both climate-controlled indoor seating and the huge panoramic windows and an upper open-air deck for the absolute best photos. On board, you will also find clean restrooms, facilities and a licensed bar or cafe counter where you can grab coffee, tea, snacks or even a glass of wine while you take in the sights. Many tours also include live or audio commentary detailing the history of each landmark as you glide past. Cruising the Thames truly is one of the most relaxing ways to see London's best sights without fighting the crowd. If you found this day 2 guide helpful, hit that like button. Drop a comment with your favorite London spot and subscribe to join us on day 3. See you in the next one.